17. Let's go.
Okay. Here we come to the elevator at Denny's, I think. I'm pretty sure that's the name. Oh, it's not here this time. Adam.
Yes?
You're gonna like this brand, that's all I'm telling you.
Alright.
Here we come.
Oh!
I got that on.
I need to get out of here. You broke the glass. BRK!
It's a BRK! Oh my god, that was actually kind of funny.
Open the doors, please. Alright, open the doors. That's fair. Why is the elevator going so slow? I thought I set speed to fast.
Hey Nathan,
Yeah?
look at this.
Oh, what? Oh, why is it?
Oh wait, I like the one. The one is so funny because
Open the door! I can't listen to this elevator. No?
it's. Hey Adam, guess wait, Adam, it's a BRK. Okay, that's enough of that.
Door to get